right, y'all, we are back with another frame off that we have here at the shop. This was a customer that brought us their 78 Cutlass, and it was already painted by another shop. We were just doing some suspension and getting the motor set into the car. It's turned into, like every other project that comes to the shop, it's turned into a whole bigger project. We're doing chassis wiring, and when we went to do the chassis wiring, we discovered that it's got floor pan issues, which a lot of these cars do. Old cars a lot of times have floor pan issues. And then in doing the floor pans, we might as well just take the frame off of the body. So here we go, taking another frame off of another body.
Trails frame going to KT powder coat. New company, but they seem pretty reputable, so I'm excited to try them out. Just a G-body frame that we notched and everything. Hopefully it comes back looking better than ever.
All right, y'all, that's it for this week. Make sure you tune in every week to catch our videos. We've been doing videos in the middle of the week also, so it's not just on Sundays, typically Wednesdays also. Like, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching.